Hello and welcome back, CNG 132, to a midweek check-in video. For this week, I just finished grading the labs from last week. Um, Great work. I didn't see any huge errors. With the conversion, make sure to always think that that conversion is a P PV no P2V. So basically, physical to virtual creation, where you're actually taking a machine that's maybe have all a server that has all your configs, or a host machine that has all your configs, and then you're turning that machine into a virtual machine that can be moved by a USB, by an external drive, by a file transfer through a network. And if you were on Linux, um, make sure you kind of have that same idea too, using a Mac or just a Ubuntu or Fedora image. Make sure that you have in your mind that you are creating a virtual machine from a physical machine. That's what the um, converter does from VMware. Great work so far. A few days ago, you got an email from the campus with some advice on um, the coronavirus, maybe some advice on travel through spring break. As I just started finishing up grading, an email came through stating that it looks like we're going to start to um, it looks like we're going to start changing physical classes. And I said that was with a question mark at the end because it says some classes will remain on campus. Make sure you're checking your email and staying up to date. Um, if you lose some sort of resource on campus, uh, contact me. I'll help you find that resource. I'll even try to be that resource for you. Um, I know this is my first time ever doing, having an event like this. So it's going to be interesting to how this folds out and how the Front Range adjusts to this sort of incident. It is really new, I guess, and just different. If you are sick or get sick, stay in contact with me. I want you to graduate, or I should say, I want you to successfully complete the semester. If it includes graduation, great. But I want you to definitely get through these courses. And I know 132 is a difficult course because we have a lot to do. Um, but if you start to fall behind, definitely get with me. Um, and I'll sit down with you and help you develop a plan to succeed, so you get past that. And with that, I think I got all the grades. Uh, I got, what? I've never seen that before. Okay, because usually that internal messages is over here under my mail. Um, but if you guys need anything, let me know. Um, if your class on campus, you lose some sort of resource that you need on campus, um, let me know. I do have WebEx that works. Still working on trying to get my Surface to work, with the campus moving in a different direction, trying to get everyone to execute in a digital format, or majority of coursework via remote delivery. I think IT is going to have their hands full. Um, but yeah, worst case scenario, we kind of stay like this. I wish you guys would see my interactions, um, because I can definitely show you a lot more to do. Enjoy the Wi-Fi project. Once again, that's a great project to do. If you're able to get a scanner on your phone, um, definitely hop into Google Hangouts and say, "Hey, look, I was just at I don't know, Toys R Us. No, that's not even around anymore. Um, I was at uh, Urban Air and their Wi-Fi, and I could see everybody's phone, and I immediately hopped off that because I realized that that's unsecure. If I was an attacker, um, that's what I'd be looking for, is open networks that I can see everybody else's stuff, because if they have a share folder, chances are, um, whatever they have, I can get. And with that, I think I'll leave you guys. Next week starts. spring break. From this email, uh, I don't know exactly what's going on. I'll ask for more clarification from see if people above me know exactly what's going on. Um, but I think tomorrow, the 13th, Friday the 13th, we should actually have a relatively good idea as we jump into spring breaks. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me, either D2L, F Front Range email, or Google Hangouts. If you're looking for an immediate answer, definitely, or somewhat of an immediate answer, definitely hop into Google Hangouts and say, hey, look, I'm having an issue with this lab, or any sort of thing. Um, if you need to do it in D2L, feel free to do it in D2L. But that's really it. You guys have a great, or as best as you can, end of the week, and I will definitely try to keep you guys informed as we start to enter this transition phase of the semester.